So off-page optimization is something which we do on a regular basis. The name itself indicates what we are doing here. Do you remember what we did as a part of on-page optimization? What did you do as a part of on-page optimization? What did you learn, Ma?
URL optimization,
URL
title,
optimization,
Title tag,
description,
heading,
heading tag,
anchor
content,
linking, content,
anchor linking,
image optimization.
image optimization, and footer. And all these things was on the page level, on the website level. And on server-side optimization, what did we do? Add files called robots.txt, sitemap.xml,
.html.
and .htaccess in server. So this is on page and this is server side. The name itself indicates what we will do. Off-page optimization is the activity that we do outside our website. Off-page optimization refers to the actions that are taken outside of your own website and they are going to impact your ranking of the SERP. So how to get that? First of all, if you have a website, remember that you need to get traffic from multiple sources to get good trust, to get domain authority. We discussed about domain authority in the beginning also. What is domain authority? It is a ranking factor given by Google. Google gives domain authority for every domain. So if your website must get good domain authority, must get good ranking, must get good trust in the market, it should get people from all places over the internet, like from websites, other websites, or from blogs, or from social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Like that, you should get traffic from all different places. So if you are getting traffic like this from multiple places, then the trust on your website will improve. So how to do this? You call this activity as link building. You call this off-page optimization also as link building. First of all, let us understand the terminology backlink. What is a backlink? Let us try to understand. Let us say this is my website, www.samplewebsite.com. Imagine that it is my website. If I am having my website link in some other's website, let us say this abcblog.com, it belongs to any one of you. Just for example, let us say it belongs to Banu. Okay, so abcblog.com belongs to Banu and sample website belongs to me. My website link is present on Banu's website, right? So from this, I'm going to get traffic to my website. Am I right? People who are coming to this blog, along with the content here, they'll also, if they click on this link, they'll be redirected to my website. So this abcblog.com is a backlink of my website. abcblog.com is a backlink of samplewebsite.com. Understood the concept of backlink, ma? Guys, did you understand the meaning of backlink? Yeah. So first of all, let us understand once again what is domain authority and page authority. As I already told you, domain authority and page authority is a search engine ranking score, which is given by Google. And it ranges from 1 to 100, 1 being the least and 100 being the highest. If at all your website is a new website, what will be probably the domain authority of your website? Maybe 1 or 2. After few days, it will start developing the ranking authority. The domain authority starts developing after few days, after you start getting good trust in the market. How do you get trust? When your website link is present in multiple places, when you are getting recommendations from multiple areas, then your trust will improve and your domain authority will grow. So domain authority and page authority are the ranking factors. Why should we do off-page optimization or backlinking? Because when you put your link on any other website, from there, you are not only going to get traffic, you are also going to get the link juice. What do you mean by link juice here? Link juice is a search engine ranking factor. It is just a terminology. Search engine ranking factor. that websites will pass from one to another. The source website will pass to the destination website. Because of passing the link juice, the domain authority of this website will not come down. Deenikuన్న ranking factor తగ్గిపోదు. But it will help other websites also. Few websites will be like this, which will pass the link value, the link juice. Pass the authority from one page to another page. All right. So let us say my website is a new website. And if abcblog.com is also a new website, is there any benefit from this for me? Guys, are you getting my point?
Both on your website.
Yes,
They
if
came to
both are
traffic.
on
We'll
website.
get some traffic.
Obviously, I am not going to get much benefit because there is no link juice to pass for me, right? If their domain authority is high, then probably that will help me. So when you are submitting your website in any other places, make sure that they are of high domain authority. So when you are submitting your backlink, your link on any other websites, make sure that they are high valued websites, high domain authority websites. Usually anything above 30 is considered to be a good domain authority. Above 30 is considered to be a good domain authority. There are two types of backlinks. One is natural link and another one is manual link. There is no question that we will get natural link. We have to do it manually only. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of natural link. Let us say you are not asking anyone to put your website link on their website, but voluntarily they themselves are doing it. That is called natural link. One best example I'll tell you, Wikipedia. Let us say you are designing a website. Is Wikipedia asking you to put its link on your website?
No, ma'am.
Never. Wikipedia will never ask anyone to put its link on the other websites. But by default, people will be getting information from Wikipedia and they'll be putting the links. Why do people do that? Because Wikipedia is already an existing website which is popular in the market. It has good trust and they believe that the data which is present in Wikipedia is genuine. So these kind of links are called natural links. They are achieved without any action or request from the owner. Owner will never ask to keep their link in other platforms, but people themselves will do that. Probably because if we are new in the industry, maybe no one will be taking our links and putting on their websites. If slowly you start writing content, if your content is really great, if people want to take it as reference, probably in future you might get natural links. But initially you will not get natural links and you have to depend on manual links. What is manual link? You yourself are submitting your website link in multiple places. And that activity is called link building or off-page optimization. That is manually submitting your website link in multiple places, like putting it on other blogs, putting it on other websites, putting it on YouTube channel, putting it on Facebook platform, adding your link on Instagram. So adding your website URL in multiple places is called manual backlinking. And today we have only one-way linking. But two-way linking has been cancelled by Google. It is no more working. One-way link is our website will be present in others' website and we get traffic and link juice from them. Earlier we had this two-way linking also. That is, we will have the link of other website on our website and those people will have our link with them. It is like mutual understanding. It is like Banu and Jishan example. Banu's website link is present on Jishan's website. Jishan's website link is present on Banu. It is a mutual understanding. But now Google has cancelled this process. We only have one-way linking available. Even if you keep two-way linking, it is not going to be helpful in passing the link juice. So what type of places you should submit your website? Remember that you should submit your website in high domain authority places. And also you need to check do follow link. That website must be ready to share the link juice. Otherwise there is no point in putting our link there. If they are ready to share the link juice, they'll have follow on their website. I'll show you where you have to check that. And submit in relevant places. If you belong to one industry, Your website link must be present in similar industry related places. For example, if you are into food related blogging, if your website is about food articles, and you are putting your link on some IT gadgets related thing, is it a suitable place?
No.
Definitely not. That becomes irrelevant link, and if it is an irrelevant link, it becomes spam. So don't do that. Please submit your links in relevant websites and high domain authority, usually anything above 30, and check for follow. How to check for follow? Any website, if you open a website, for example, I'm opening Digital Floats. After opening the website, stay on the page, right click, view page source, Control F, search for follow. And if you see follow, it means it is ready to share link juice. If they are not willing to share link juice, they'll put no follow here. And that will be done by the designers. It is not your job. This no follow. If you find no follow, you should not submit your website. That means even if you submit, there is no use. You're not going to get the link juice. If there is follow here, that means you're going to get link juice from this website. So you can submit your link in this kind of places. You have to check for high domain authority websites. You have to check for follow links, and you must submit in relevant places. How to check domain authority? There is one tool called Small SEO Tools. If you want to know the domain authority of any website, you can check it here. Let us check once. This is Small SEO Tools Domain Authority Checker, wherein you can enter up to 10 URLs. At a time, you can add up to 10 URLs. If you want to check for more than that, you need to repeat the process. Which website you want me to check? Guys, which website you want me to check?
Flipkart.
You want to check Flipkart? Okay.
Snapdeal.
1 minute. Let me take Flipkart. You have to take the URL, ma. So I have added Flipkart. What is the other one you asked, Banu?
Snapdeal something.
Snapdeal, okay. Anyone else?
Amazon, ma'am. Amazon.in.
Amazon you want to see? All right. And one new website I'll put so that I can show you how it will be for a new website. So I have entered 5 of them. Let us wait. Just a minute, ma. I have an urgent call to take. So if you check now, the domain authority of Flipkart is 90. Amazon is 92, Snapdeal is 81, Digital Floats is 30. Can you see the new website? How much it is? Only 1. Page authority is different. Page authority is of that home page. Usually Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, I said websites, usually people will be going to internal pages, not to the home page mainly. See, home page domain authority is less, but internal pages domain authority is more. That is why domain authority is more, page authority is less. If it is Digital Floats, it is a service-based company and most of people will come to the home page. So home page authority is more, domain authority is still 30. This is how you will check the domain authority and page authority, ma. by using small SEO tools. If you want, you can note down this URL. All right, guys. And how to check follow URL, I have shown you. Go to the particular page on the website, right click, view page source, search for follow. And if you see follow button, then you can submit your website link there and they are ready to share the link juice. So as a part of off-page optimization, we will be doing all these activities, directory submission, social bookmarking, document submission, video submission, social media posting, Quora question and answers, guest postings, image submission, blog commenting, business listing, and press releases. So these are all the sources of backlinks. Before we start doing off-page optimization, we need to have some data ready with us. You need to have all the list of the business pages for which you are doing off-page optimization, and you should keep this data ready. That is your website URL, title, description, any additional description is if required, keywords, name, and email ID. Remember, guys, please create a separate email ID for off-page optimization. Never use your personal email IDs because per day you will be making more than 100 submissions. So if you, and most of the times you need to log in with the email IDs. So please create separate email IDs for off-page optimization. So this is the prior thing that you need to do. How do you get title and description? You can get it from SEO Quake. For any page, if I'm on this page, if I go to SEO Quake and get into page info, I can get the title of the page and description of the page. So you can collect the data from there, put it ready, and then you can start off-page optimization. So how to get title, description? Go to page info and collect the data, title and description. URL already you can get it from Google, from your website. And additional things that you need is additional description, target keywords, and your name and email ID. If you have the data ready, you can start working on off-page optimization. So the first topic is directory submission. I'm stopping the class today, guys. I have throat pain. Actually, I'm not able to speak much now. So the rest of the things we will discuss in tomorrow's class. All the 8 off-page activities I'll discuss in tomorrow's class. And along with the description, the theoretical part, I'll give you a small practical work also. I'll be in the institute tomorrow. All right, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.